In a highly volatile and uncertain business environment, it is essential for leaders to make timely, informed decisions. This need is particularly evident for planning and sourcing leaders who must react quickly to market shifts, supply chain disruptions, and changing business objectives. But when teams plan in silos and spreadsheets disconnected from corporate systems, it's hard to get a clear understanding of financial and operational implications. And it's even harder to properly support business initiatives, seize opportunities, and mitigate risk. With Workday, organizations can quickly adapt to change and chart the best course. Now financial teams can plan on a unified platform that seamlessly integrates with strategic sourcing. With greater data transparency and accuracy, teams across FP&A and sourcing can achieve better business outcomes. By eliminating manual, disconnected processes, FP&A teams can spend less time manipulating data and more time focusing on strategic, high-value initiatives. And their sourcing partners can make better decisions using real-time, accurate financial data. Let's take a look at how Workday makes planning and sourcing in an integrated platform more efficient, less error-prone, and more collaborative. Imagine your organization is planning the construction of new data centers to increase capacity and capture more market share, thus growing the business. As the planning specialist, you begin in the capital project working budget, specifically on IT's request for new data centers. Working with IT, your team has already set a preliminary budget of $2.6 million for the data center expansion. With the budget set, you can now request this project through strategic sourcing to initiate the sourcing event process and identify the right supplier for this critical project. You quickly navigate to strategic sourcing and verify the details from planning, including project name, description, category, and estimated start and end dates. All looks good, so you submit the request. The request is now automatically routed to the appropriate sourcing specialist. In your sourcing dashboard, you can see this new project request from planning. You can drill into the request to review the details and begin actively sourcing for this project. You can also share milestones to help everyone stay on track, assigning appropriate stakeholders for milestone updates and ensuring collaboration across the teams. Workday enables direct communication between all the stakeholders, providing visibility and shared responsibility to ensure a successful project. You are now ready to engage with potential suppliers through Workday's easy-to-use RFX engine. With only 6 steps on one page, you can use predefined templates to quickly build and launch your event. You can then invite suppliers already in the database or add new suppliers as necessary. You determine the questionnaires required to capture the data that you'll need to evaluate and select a supplier. Finally, you'll invite the appropriate stakeholders to review and score supplier bids. Once the event is submitted, you can analyze responses and determine the best supplier for the data center project. When the actual contract amount is finalized, it is automatically sent back through the system to the planning budget. And now our planning specialist can view the sourced amount in the capital project budget. It's good news. We're able to see our variance amount, and this contract has come in under budget. This visibility allows the FP&A team to reallocate those savings and better enables data-driven decisions and accurate forecasting. Together, Workday Adaptive Planning and Workday Strategic Sourcing give planning and procurement teams increased collaboration, create stronger engagement, and ensure accuracy to drive better business outcomes. To learn more about Workday solutions for planning and strategic sourcing, visit workday.com.